Hey, welcome back to Create, Cook, and Talk. I'm Shantae.
I'm Kaylee.
What are we cooking today, Kay?
Lemonade pie.
Lemonade pie. That's why we have lemons?
Mm-hmm.
Lemonade pie. Who sent us this recipe?
Carrie
Antonelli.
Antonelli.
Carrie Antonelli, our new friend, right?
Mm-hmm.
So thank you, Carrie. So this is a great and refreshing summer treat, and woohoo!
Ooh.
And let's talk about lemonade. Do you know why they call it lemonade and not lemon juice, like orange juice?
No.
Because it's made with water and sugar and lemon juice. So they call it lemonade.
Oh, lemonade.
Yeah, did you know that? And did you know that lemonade has other meanings? Like sometimes people will say, if life throws you a bunch of lemons, make, what do you think?
Lemonade juice.
Lemonade, right? And what do you think that means?
It means to make lemonade juice.
Make lemonade juice. That means like if you get a bunch of lemons, because sometimes that means it's not such a good thing, that means to turn it around and make it into lemonade. So just because you have lemons, you can make it into something good, right?
Yeah.
You can make lemonade, and that's what,
Yummy.
just like this recipe, right?
And it's sour.
No, it's tart.
It's hard.
Tart.
No,
Yes,
because
lemons are sour. Yes, is that what you're saying?
yeah, because if you go to Winston, that means I don't like lemons.
You don't like lemons, but you like this pie.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, and I want to tell you something else. Did you know that sometimes they have something called depression lemonade?
I never know that.
Did you know what that is?
No.
I didn't know it was called that, but it's actually when you go to a restaurant and you order a glass of water and lemons and then add your own sugar. Who used to do that?
Papa.
Papa used to do that all the time. I didn't know it was called depression
He put
lemonade.
sugar and lemonade.
He always would ask for extra lemons, and then he would in his water, right? And then he would add sugar, so he would make his own
Lemonade.
free lemonade. That's pretty funny, huh? Okay, so back to the recipe. So what are we're cooking today? Lemonade pie. Woo. So what are the ingredients?
We have
This is lemonade concentrate from the frozen food section, half a can. It's really hard to find the 6-ounce can, so if you can find the 12-ounce cans, and I would recommend making 2 pies and maybe give one away. So half a can of
a lemon
concentrate,
yeah.
sweetened condensed milk, half of the can, whole tub of
Whipped cream, Cool Whip, a pan of graham cracker,
pie shell, and then fresh lemon for decoration. Okay, so I'm gonna switch sides with you, and you can start dumping the ingredients in, and then I'll move over here, and you can start pouring them in. Does that other hand work? Yeah, I wasn't sure. You don't like to use that other hand very much, do you?
Not really.
How come?
I don't know.
Here, did you want to do this with me? I'll just hold it.
No,
What do you want to do?
I want to pour.
You want to pour? What is that? It's a half a can of condensed milk, right?
Mm-hmm. And dark milk.
Condensed milk.
Condensed milk.
Okay. Now we want to get all of that extra stuff out of there. Did you want to scoop it?
I'm okay.
You're okay? Okay, so can you put the, there you go. Okay, so now I think we have to mix it. So it says to combine these two really well, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we're just gonna stick that in there because it's dirty, but it's going in next. So we have to get the mixer.
Mixer.
Okay, I'm gonna move these and
And we'll turn it on.
hold the bowl, please. Okay, so we have that mixed up nice. Now we're gonna fold in the whipped cream. What does fold mean?
Fold means like you fold your clothes, like
Like you fold your clothes? Yeah, that's right. You fold clothes, you fold towels, right? And it also means we're just gonna slowly mix it into the
Mom, can you
mixture.
please tell me?
I sure can, here. So see if you scrape it along the sides, then it comes out, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, like that. Okay, Now you want to just slowly fold, which means slowly. You're not going to whip it really fast. You're just going to slowly fold it into it, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to move this. That's what fold means. Slowly. You want to go up from the bottom to the top and slowly mix it together, but you're actually folding it in, it's called. It's not like a heavy whip. So your hand, you have to have a light hand, like this. Hold your hand like this. See how my hand is there? And you want to just slowly. Okay?
Good.
Good, okay. Go around the sides. There you go. You want to scrape the sides. Do you know how to do that? Here, hold it. No, don't let go. See how my hand moves a little bit? Like you have to have your wrist move. And you go around the sides. That's scraping the bottom of the bowl. And you always want to go to the bottom because if you don't mix it up well, then guess what's going to happen?
It spill?
No, it won't spill, but it will have flavor on one side and not everywhere else. I'm going to scrape the sides for you. Now you do it one more time and then we'll put it in the... Good job. Okay. Think it's good? No,
yep.
Leave it in there. Now we're just going to move this over, get our pie shell. Now, would you prefer, do you want me to switch sides and I can hold the bowl and you can pour it in there?
Yes.
Okay, so now I'm holding the bowl and you're gonna scoop it in there. Remember what I said about getting the sides. You want to get all of the creamy goodness in the bowl, and now watch what you're doing. Do we need to turn it a little bit so you don't get it all in one spot? Okay. Good job, Kay. You're doing it. Awesome. Okay. How you doing? All right. I'll help.
Job or no?
You did a great job. Now I'm just going to scrape the bowl, and then you can smooth out. Okay, so this is much different, you guys. I didn't listen to the directions the first time around. What happens when you don't listen to the directions? Can you mess up the recipe?
Yeah.
Okay, so the first time I tried this recipe out, I didn't listen to the directions and I used the whole can of condensed milk. And what happened? We had what? Here, smooth that out. We had what? Lemonade soup pie.
Yeah, soup pie.
Yeah, so you don't want to do that. It's a half a can of the condensed milk, half a can of the frozen concentrate of lemonade. All right, so you want to make it really pretty, right? Because pretend it was you were giving it to somebody and you want it to look really good. Now I don't want to get off path here. So listen, you can turn the bowl. You always want to turn it. You make it so that it's comfortable for Kaylee, okay? Nobody says it has to be stiff. You turn it, okay? So you can make it smooth for you. But see how both of my hands work together? And I'm just barely holding that. Okay, we're gonna finish this up. Kaylee did a very nice job smoothing it out. Very nice, especially since the first time around it was very soupy, right? We threw it right in the freezer right away. So now I'm gonna show you how to decorate it. Hold that. You can put the lemon in the center, and then maybe we could cut some, right?
Mm-hmm.
Make a design. I don't know, I just did this part. Whoops, there's a seed. What do you think?
Good.
Voila! Okay, so now we have to put it in the freezer and let it chill for a couple of hours, maybe an hour, let it harden up or chill really well, and then it'll be ready to eat. Okay, so I cut a piece for Kaylee, but I wanted to let you guys know this is how it looks when it comes out of the freezer. We let it chill for about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours to firm up, and we're ready to go. Okay, it looks yummy. Go for it.
If you like our video, give us a thumbs up. If you like our video, if you have another recipe, send it to another recipe. Give us more recipe for next time.
I think that one's mine. Because this is really yummy. I like this. Okay, don't be mad. I always let you try them. What do you think? Yummy. Thank you so much, Carrie, for sending us this recipe. It was a lot of fun, very easy. You also, if you need to take a quick dessert somewhere, it can't get much faster than this, and it's very yummy, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So encourage learning while creating yum. Create, cook, and talk, and I will talk to you soon.